Hello friends, we are going to create Indian flag in today's tutorial. So let's start the video. So before starts the video, if you are new to our channel, then please make subscribe and like to create an Indian flag. We are going to import our turtle module in Python. So since I have installed, if you have don't installed, let's see how to install turtle. So click on pip. Let's search in that turtle. Let's click on install. I have already installed, so here requirement already satisfied. So if you don't have installed, so let's make install. So let's start. So first import turtle module. Then we are going to create an object of our turtle module. Now we are going to create a function to make our three boxes of our Indian flag. So let's make. So in box we have to set the position of x and y and the length, width and the color of the three boxes as orange, white and green. In our object module we are going to create our three boxes. That color, importing our color argument, and now to create three boxes we are using for loop, which is too easy to make three boxes. So now we are going to create our three boxes. So as the length and width, so we are going using a for loop which is better to be used. So setting this as 2. Now we moving towards forward to create the length of a box. So turtle, and that is our object that go forward 100 and turtle that left 90, turtle that wedge 100, again that left which which is 90. Now we are going to create our Ashoka Chakra. So creating Ashoka Chakra. So making a function as making a function as creating make circle. You may take another name. So as you know, there are 24 spokes in our Ashoka Chakra. So we setting this number as 24. Now T that moving towards next to making our circle. So now we pen up using the attribute pen up. We moving towards upward to make our spoke. With a circle 1 with radius and 1 5 setting this number. So total dot now forward so moving 100 and total dot go to function. So we go to x comma y. Total dot now moving backward 100 pixel. Again that right, that is our 90 degree. Now and setting the color of circle as blue. So calling pen down. Now all set. Surround this circle module. This may be quite large, so we setting forward and backward as much lesser. So let's setting it as 15. Yes, this is possible. So let's calling our 3 box modules. So this code looks like this. Let's run this code and getting our Indian flag.
Yes, this is possible. So let's make a subscribe to my channel.